In a shocking incident, reportedly an attempt was made to throw a shoe at Chief Justice of India, B.R. Gavai. The accused, identified as lawyer Rakesh Kishore, was immediately detained by court staff and handed over to the police. Before the incident, Kishore was heard shouting loudly at the Chief Justice. Chief Justice Bhushan Ramkrishna Gavai, as per information, remained calm throughout. He later stated that such incidents don't affect him and encouraged the proceedings to continue. The Delhi DCP and Supreme Court security officials are currently questioning the accused. Justice Gavai, however, remained composed and directed the court to carry on. Don't get distracted by all this. We are not distracted. These things do not affect me, he remarked, continuing with the day's proceedings. The incident appears to be linked to comments made by Justice Gavai during an earlier hearing concerning the restoration of a beheaded 7-foot idol of Lord Vishnu at Khajuraho. Dismissing the plea, he had remarked, "Go and ask the deity itself to do something now. You say you are a staunch devotee of Lord Vishnu, so go and pray now. It's an archaeological site, and I needs to give permission, etc." The comment had sparked criticism on social media, with some alleging it was disrespectful towards religious sentiments. Responding to the backlash in court days later, Justice Gavai clarified that, "I respect all religions," expressing regret that his comments were misunderstood. Despite the commotion, court proceedings resumed without further disruption, with the Chief Justice choosing to maintain focus on the matters at hand. The Supreme Court Advocates on Record Association, SCORE, has unequivocally condemned the act of an advocate, who today morning reportedly tried to throw an object at Chief Justice of India, B.R. Gavai, before being escorted out by the security. The SCORE said that the conduct is unbecoming of a member of the bar and strikes at the very foundation of mutual respect that sustains the relationship between the bench and the bar. This behavior is antithetical to the dignity of the legal profession and contrary to the constitutional values of decorum, discipline, and institutional integrity. Any attempt to malign or a personalized act, childish gesture aimed against a sitting judge of the Honorable Supreme Court constitutes a direct assault on the independence of the judiciary and undermines public faith in the justice delivery system. SCORE unequivocally condemns this cowardly and disrespectful act and stands in complete solidarity with the Honorable Chief Justice of India and the entire judiciary in upholding the majesty, independence, and impartiality of the Supreme Court of India, as stated in the statement issued by SCORE Secretary Nikhil Jain. It has been suggested that the court may initiate suo motu contempt against such an act, as it is a calculated move to scandalize the authority of the office of the Chief Justice of India. It is averred, SCORE further expresses its considered view that the Honorable Supreme Court of India may be pleased to take suo motu cognizance of the said conduct and initiate appropriate proceedings for contempt of court, as the act gesture is a calculated move to scandalize the authority of the Honorable Supreme Court and lower its dignity in the eyes of the public. Such a course would serve as a necessary reminder that freedom of speech, while sacrosanct, carries with it a duty of restraint, particularly for members of the legal profession who are officers of the court. The relevant question here is, if the court had ordered the demolition of ancient temples without heads like Khajuraho, what would have been thrown at the Chief Justice?